You and me, this Ramadan. A non-Muslim should be able to tell the difference in you and me this Ramadan. They should be able to tell, I don't know what's got into him or her, but this person has started to behave extremely patiently, extremely kindly, so punctual, so generous, so soft-spoken, so pleasant to be around, like the pleasant breeze. Someone who's a non-Muslim should be able to tell. That is the sunnah, that is the Ramadan our Prophet ﷺ lived. That people could not tell he was fasting because he was agitated and angry and irritated. They could tell that daily he is taking from the light of the Quran, and that light is spreading everywhere in his behavior. كَانَ أَجْوَدَ مِنَ الرِّيحِ الْمُرْسَلَةِ, as Ibn Abbas says, he was even more sweet and pleasant than the beautiful breeze. And the way you can check is that every day when you recite or reflect or memorize the Quran in Ramadan, whatever your goal is with the Quran, you have to ask yourself the question, has the Quran affected my behavior today? Or has it just gotten stuck in my throat? The Prophet ﷺ, when he was criticizing some people, he says, يَقْرَؤُونَ الْقُرْآنَ لَا يُجَاوِزُ تَرَاقِيَهُم. They will be reciters of the Quran, but the recitation will never go past their throat. Is the Quran for you and me just something nice to recite, to make some nice sounds with? Or is there a visible impact on your behavior?